Welcome to the Melco training video on setting up your Epson F2100. Before your printer even arrives, you can familiarize yourself with the Epson support website, epson.com/support/F2100. Here you will find all the manuals and warranty information. We recommend you register your printer. You can also find all Epson support information under the Contact Us tab. If you want to get a head start, you can download all of your utilities and drivers now. Pick your operating system, both Mac or PC. In this case, we're using a Mac. You can download your garment creator, update your firmware regularly, and any admin tools. Next, I encourage you to bookmark the Epson F2000 support page at epson.com/support/F2000. Here you can watch all the Epson maintenance videos, which are the same for the F2100. Your printer will be delivered in a large cardboard box on a pallet. Remove the top of the box and set aside all the contents inside. You will have the choice to keep or discard the packing materials. You will need 3 to 4 people to lift and place the printer on a sturdy table or stand. In your pack of documents, find your Start Here guide. Check to be sure you have all the items noted. If you do not, call Epson support on the back of the guide. After your printer is on a stable platform, begin removing all the tape. Next, assemble the printer and drain lines. Your drain is gravity fed, so be sure the drain lines all flow down into the waste container. Cut the lines if needed. When installing ink cartridges, be sure to follow these instructions closely and do not interrupt the process once ink charging has begun. Do not throw away the ink charging cover. You will need this in step 14. Turn over the guide to continue the ink installation process. Install the ink charging unit and follow the prompts on screen. When complete, reinstall the ink charging cover. If you have not downloaded your software, do it now. You are now ready to perform a nozzle check. Set your platen and follow the instructions given. This is an example of a good nozzle check. 1 or 2 nozzles missing is not a big deal. This is an example of a nozzle check that needs a head cleaning, and here is how you do a head cleaning. To execute a head cleaning, go to Maintenance, Head Cleaning, select the nozzles you want to clean. In this case, we'll select white. Then choose light, medium, or heavy cleanings. The longer your printer is off, the more heavy your cleanings will need to be. After cleaning, do another nozzle check until you see that you have a good pattern. 1 nozzle missing here and there will not be an issue. A head alignment is required for perfect registration. Set your platen to position 1, then go to Main Menu, Printer Setup, Head Alignment. Then follow the prompts on screen. You will need a sheet of paper to print the nozzle pattern. The head alignment pattern will print 13 blocks in both cyan and black. You are looking for the blocks that have the tightest grouping. In this example, 1 has the worst and 8 has the best for both cyan and black. On your screen, choose 8 for cyan and 8 for black. Your print head is now aligned. Offset head alignment. Main menu, Printer Setup, Offset head alignment. Click up to +2. The screen will show +2 as your current setting. Then go back to the main menu. +2 is ideal for printing a t-shirt at platen height 2. I suggest watching the Epson video on head alignment and offset head alignment on epson.com/support/F2000. Congratulations, your printer is now ready to print. Be sure to watch all of our Epson DTG videos on the Melco YouTube channel.